What's up, y'all? So, my bad that I haven't recorded for 2 weeks now. But I still have been doing the $100 weekly challenge. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you guys what I bought last week that I didn't get to show. Because supposedly I was recording, but screen record can only record up to like a certain time, and then it just stopped recording and the video didn't save at all. So that was a fail. But I'm gonna be showing you what I bought last week, and then what I also am going to buy today with the it's gonna be a little bit over $100 all the time, because it's not gonna be like constantly $100. So just be aware of that. But for people who ask me like how do you begin investing, well, first you gotta be 18, and then I'm almost 19 three days very second. So with that aside, you wanna like get into a brokerage, which is like Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, like anything that you could trade for free without getting a commission fee attached to it. So what are stocks? Well, stocks are just like companies going public, like Starbucks or whatever, and then they're trying to raise money so they could like fund other things. Well, that's what like you could buy from public stocks, and then some stocks offer dividends, and then some stocks don't, which mostly are just known like growth stocks. Like they don't offer anything at all, just for the price of the share to go up. But what I'm gonna be doing for this challenge, I'm gonna just be like mostly investing in dividend stocks, which I'm gonna be doing a DGI. Yeah, DGI, which stands for dividend growth investing. So at the moment, I have some stocks giving me dividends, but I'm gonna be raising my position on some of them because I actually believe in the stocks and what they're trying to do. Like a lot of them offer good dividends in my opinion, but I am not an expert. I'm barely just beginning to learn how to trade, how to do all this stuff. So you're gonna be learning with me. But aside from that, let me show you what I'm gonna be buying today and what I bought last week. So as you can see, let's go to Robinhood. I'm gonna put my thumbprint. This is my balance right now, which is I've been down some bucks, but you can see I've been down a lot. Oh, because of the news about the coronavirus and all that stuff. And then as you can see, I'm down almost 240 all time, which is like a 16.50% down. And as you can see, most of my stocks are really low right now, but I'm gonna be putting $100 no matter the performance of the market. So I'm just trading for I'm gonna be buying for the long term, so it doesn't really matter to me. But let me show you what stock I bought last week. So I bought Coca-Cola for 57.40. I bought 2 shares of those, and then as you can see, I'm down 79 cents. But it doesn't really matter to me because as you can see in the 1-year chart, it's up almost 20%. But it has a 2.77% dividend yield, and the PE ratio is 32.09%. But let me show you what I'll be making in a year with 2 shares of Coca-Cola in dividends. But the spreadsheet that I was doing to keep track of my stocks and all that stuff wasn't really cutting it out for me because I didn't do such a good job. So I just bought an app, and I had to pay $6.99 for it. But as you can see, those are my annual dividends that I'm expecting to get. But from Coca-Cola, each stock will give me around $1.59 of dividends. And then since I got two, I'll be making $3.18. And then what I like about this app that I got is it tells me information about the dividends, which is a dividend tracking app. Like, let's say you bought some stocks and then you want to see their dividends. You could view the dividend history and it'll take you straight up to the NASDAQ, where you could just look at the information. It tells you the price is going forward, the price change, all that stuff. The payout ratio, which is a 31%. And then as you can see, Coca-Cola has been raising its dividend for a lot of years, since 2013. And then right now the current dividend yield, it's a 2.78%, which is 40 cents a share. And the price right now it's $57. But yeah, as time goes by, I wish to like improve my position on this app, that stock. But that's the stock about last week. But let's go to a new stock that I'll be buying. Well, right now it's 2:30, which I want to buy something before the market ends, before the market closes, I mean. But I'll be putting more into AT&T because it's almost down 4%, almost, which is good for me. So I could just my average cost goes down, so I could have like a bigger dividend yield. But the people weren't excited about the earnings that they got. But I would just be buying. Yeah, I'm gonna be buying 3. I'll make a deposit. And there we go. Review, switch up, order received, and I bought 3 shares of AT&T. Now let me show you how much I expect to get in dividends just from this stock. If you go to my dividend app, I'll put down the information for AT&T, and then I'm gonna be switching this from 5 to 8, and then I'll be expecting $16.24 in dividends from this stock. And then let's change the average price paid for it, and which is $36.56 now. But my yield at my current price is 5.55%, which is better than the current price right now. Current market value is almost a $300 value on this stock. But my biggest position so far, it's from my employee stock purchase program, which is Home Depot, and I have 7.11 shares of it, which I paid $185 for those, and I'll be expecting to get $38.68 from it each year, unless they keep raising their dividends. But so far, my dividend yield for the year is going to be $72.83. And I'll be getting $18.21 each 3 months, which is each quarter. But this is barely the beginning of the year, but I expect to have at least $100 each quarter for each quarter. $100, and then to have around $400 in annual dividend income, and then I'll be just getting more stocks, trying to see better deals, which stocks offer the best dividends. But I think that's gonna be all for today's video, which I hope you guys liked and got a little something out of it. I'll be trying to edit this video a little better, so like you guys could see a little that I'm improving. But as you can see, in my current value, market value is almost $3,000, and my yield is 5.79%. Let me show you my projection, which I also like about this stock. Let's say I contribute about $350 each month, and then as you can see, by the end of the year, I should have a value of 7,000, almost 200. Then as you can see, I could just slide this and it'll keep growing. And that's the power of compound interest for you people. Like I just hope you guys just start investing early, because you never know what might happen, and then your money just keeps making you money. A lot of people don't understand this, but I just hope you guys at least get like a retirement plan early, start investing in dividends, or not dividends but in stocks. But by investing, you should be aware of some of the dangers of investing, which is not always guaranteed that you'll be making money. You could be losing money. But I just hope that you guys have like a strong mentality to look for the future, to look for the bright side, and just hold on to your stocks. Don't sell them. Hold them for the long term. And yeah, just have your money make more money.